Boom, boom, boom. What's up, viewers and subscribers? You don't know, so it's your boy First Go. And welcome to another week of the top 10 trending dancehall songs. Without no further ado, these are the top 10 trending dancehall songs for this week. Let's go. Alright, so at number 10 spot, who do we have? CJ Lodge, Better Days. Let's go. At a number 9 spot, we have Charlie Blacks with On to the Next. Let's go. Alright, so at the number 8 spot, we have James Be Loved and Blessed featuring Scatalopa. Let's go. At the number 7 spot, who do we have? Med Boss with Just Do That. With Just Do It. Let's go. What's up? At the number 6 spot, we have Jamal with New Year. Let's go. At the number 5th spot, who do we have? Candy Brawling with Go to Work. Let's go. Alright, at the number 4th spot, we have Paris Caution with Marshall Montana and Travis World with Move Out the Way. Let's go. Soca song. Let's go. At the number 3rd spot, we have Skipper with DJ Mark WYFL. Let's go. At the number 2nd spot, who do we have? Skipper again with Felony 19 and Solitary. Too bad. Let's go. At the number 1 spot, we have Marshall Montana with Encore. Let's go. Alright, viewers and subscribers. So those are the top 10 trending dancehall songs in Jamaica for this week. You know, if you like these kind of contents, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel or follow the channel. You know what I mean? Until next time, peace out. Let's go. Boom.